What's up, guys? This is a 2020 Ford Mustang, and getting to the cabin filter, to actually remove and install the filter, it's easier to go underneath here. You know, you just remove this panel right here, no tools required, just firmly pull the panel off. This is what's underneath the glove box, underneath there. That's easier to get to it as far as putting the filter in and out. If you see right there, that's where it is. It'll actually drop down, and if your glove box is closed, you'll have much more room to actually remove and install the filter right there. But to get to the little screw, you know, it's a little Torx T20. This little guy here, one screw that holds the door on, that guy right there. You know, if you only have the screwdriver style of T20, that's also easiest to go underneath right there, and you can reach to it right up in there. But if you have a ratchet, like I have a small 1/4-inch ratchet with a T20, for me it's easier to go from in there to actually remove the screw, where a lot of people, you know, struggle with it. But if you can see it right there, the little white thing is the actual filter. But like I said, yeah, just leave the glove box up, and just, you know, you may have to lay down underneath it to get to it. But yeah, if you remove that little panel right there and leave the glove box up, locked in place, you can just reach up in there and get to the filter itself after you've removed the little door. And you may want to lay a little pad or something on, you know, on the floor. It's easier for your knees, easier for your back. You can lay on this right here and just lay down on the floorboard right there. It's seriously not that hard of a job. Those who are struggling with it should probably hire it out, because it's seriously not a big job at all.